In a significant move to provide financial relief to millions of Americans, the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, has announced the distribution of $4 billion worth of stimulus checks. These payments come as part of the federal government's continuing efforts to support individuals and families affected by the economic fallout caused by recent challenges. But who exactly qualifies for this financial boon? And how can you find out if you're on the list of recipients? Today, we'll explore the details surrounding these payments and help clarify if you might be eligible to receive one. Firstly, it's important to understand the context behind these stimulus checks. Over the past few years, the U.S. government has initiated multiple rounds of payments to alleviate the economic pressure on its citizens. These payments are generally aimed at low to moderate income families, providing them with the means to manage essential expenses such as rent, groceries, and utility bills. The latest batch of checks is no exception and seeks to extend this crucial support. To determine eligibility, the IRS typically evaluates several criteria. The most significant of these is income level. Individuals with an adjusted gross income, or AGI, below a certain threshold are more likely to qualify. For single filers, this threshold often stands at around $75,000, while joint filers may see the limit at approximately $150,000. It's worth noting that these figures are subject to change based on legislative adjustments, so verifying the current thresholds on the IRS website is always a prudent step. Your filing status also plays a pivotal role. Whether you file as single, head of household, or jointly with a spouse can impact your eligibility. Additionally, the number of dependents you claim could influence the amount you receive, as the stimulus checks frequently provide additional funds for each qualifying dependent. Another critical factor is your tax filing status. If you have filed your taxes for the most recent tax year, you are more likely to be on the IRS's radar for these payments. Those who have not yet filed may experience delays or could miss out entirely unless they submit their returns promptly. The IRS uses the information from these returns to process who qualifies and where to send the checks. For those who traditionally do not need to file tax returns, such as certain senior citizens or those on specific disability benefits, the IRS often utilizes information from other federal programs to ensure they don't miss out. However, if you're in this situation, making sure your details are up to date with relevant agencies is crucial. Once eligibility is confirmed, the distribution method is straightforward. Many will receive these funds through direct deposit, provided the IRS has your banking details on file. Others might receive a physical check or an economic impact payment card, which functions similarly to a debit card. In conclusion, while the stimulus checks are a vital lifeline for many, understanding the intricate web of rules and qualifications is fundamental to ensuring you don't miss out. As the IRS continues to roll out these payments, staying informed and proactive in checking your eligibility is key. By ensuring your tax information is up to date and engaging with the IRS resources available, you can efficiently navigate this process and secure the financial support you may be entitled to. Remember, these funds are designed to help you through challenging times, contributing positively to both your personal financial well-being and the broader economy.